to all the prospective mums and dads out there, and current mums and dads who are looking for tips and advice. Welcome to my channel, Baby Dad Tips. I'm going to be unboxing this Babymel nappy changing bag for you today. I'll do another video of a more in-depth review, looking at some of the compartments, actually using it, putting things inside, giving you dimensions, etc., just to give you a better idea. But today we're just going to be looking at how this comes up in the packaging. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet. Before I start, just want to say, please do show me your support, especially if you like these videos. Do click the subscribe button, subscribe for notifications, share, like, comment, etc. Let me know your thoughts if you're considering this bag or something else. I did do some research, and I found this was the one that I liked, or we liked the most, for various reasons, and I'll go through them. So anyway, let's get cracking and open this up. So as you can see, it didn't really come in a box, it just came in this bag. I bought this directly from the Babymel website, but I know that they do sell this on Amazon. I'll try and put a link in the description below for the Amazon purchase if you wanted to get that off of Amazon. I think Babymel sell directly on Amazon as well. But anyway, let's open this up and have a look. So there you are, straight out of the bag. This is what it looks like. You've got your tags there. I'll fluff this up a bit so you can see. But this is essentially the Babymel Georgie Eco Black, and they call it a convertible. The reason they call it a convertible is because it has various straps, which we'll see. So you can actually carry it like that. You can have it as a backpack, so they have straps, backpack straps, and then there's also this thing here which you can attach to a pram, I believe. But anyway, when I do the in-depth review, we'll look at that. These are just some of the straps, so giving you some ideas there of how to use it. Let's get that out of the way. So let's open this up. First of all, so there's a little clip here. We open that. We can get to the main compartment. Let's open that and have a look what that looks like. Okay, great. So straight out, they have an attachment inside, an insert. So when I saw the website, take this off. When I checked the website, I think this was a nappy changing mat. You can see there, Babymel in the detailing. Seems quite compact, quite easy to use. Probably a bit tiny in terms of what I was expecting. You can see there the size of my hand, but I guess a newborn baby will be very small. We've got no idea yet, still expecting. But anyway, that's what it looks like, just so you know. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, back to the bag. So as you can see, that's what it looks like on the inside. Let me just switch the lights on. Hopefully you can see more of that now. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the inside. There is two compartments here, just elasticated for you to put stuff in. There's a flat, you can flatten that out and put whatever you need in there. There's a small side pocket there, which is slightly padded and looks to me like it's also thermal. I don't know if you can see that. Has some thermal insulation there. So I'm assuming that's for bottles and stuff. There's a little pouch here with Velcro, probably for a laptop or something else that you want to keep secure, or anything, I don't know. A zippered compartment, just a small pocket there, no further inserts, just a zipped compartment, which is good for keeping anything secure in there. But that's essentially it, that's the main compartment. Let's look at the back. You can see here the Babymel detailing. We went for the one in black because we like this kind of slight leather, brown leather finishing, and it also goes with the stroller that we're choosing, the stroller that we've chosen. There's a compartment at the back, a small compartment, magnetic closure by the looks of it. And if you open that up, there's also a small compartment in there. I don't know if you can see that. And then moving around to the sides, there is a pocket here, just to store stuff in, stash whatever, stash something in there. You can see, so that's quite useful. I've just noticed there's also another little compartment here, zippered compartment, kind of like a secret pocket, I guess. You could hide your phone in there, most likely. Let's see if there's another one on the other side. No. But anyway, moving to the other side, this was the main reason we got it. I really like this feature here. Get the tags out of the way. Really like this feature here. So it has the same pocket on this side as you can see, but additionally, you see here, easy white pocket. So it has an extra Velcro section that you open up, and you can actually put your wipes in here. And so as you open that up, and then you can see you can access wipes in there quite easily. And it's also plastic or something there as well, so that will keep the wipes. That will keep from getting messy, and try and keep the wipes fairly dry, I guess. But you can access your wipes quite nicely, and then there's Velcro to keep that closed. So that was the main feature really, and then that's it really. So that's more or less what it looks like. Now let's look at the straps. I haven't opened these up yet. As I mentioned before, you've got your two straps there to attach to the pram, so that will essentially go on the pram handle, and then you close that up with the Velcro, and that will attach. And that will kind of attach to the handlebar, I'm assuming, like that on both sides when you feed it through. So if you imagine that's your handlebar, so it'll be kind of like that on the back. The additional strap here, I think this is just some excess strap. There's a small handle here as well, so I guess if you did want to wear it as a shoulder bag, you can see there, you could wear that as a shoulder bag as well. So it just gives you some additional functionality, additional ways of using it. And then of course that strap pulls through for it to become a rucksack. So you can see there, you can also wear that as a rucksack, which is quite useful. And just tighten that up. There are some fasteners here to tighten that up. So essentially that's more or less it. That's more or less it. Just a very short video just to show you unboxing, what it looks like. I will do, as I said, I will do a further review at some point. We've also bought the Babymel hospital bag, and I'm going to do an unboxing video for the hospital bag as well. That's it, folks. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.